What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taliyah, and this is Taliyah's Smoking Trips. Welcome back to a brand new trip. So for today's video, we're gonna do a high wig install. I'm gonna get high, and I'm gonna smoke, and then I'm gonna install this wig. This is my second time installing a wig, and I've been wanting to do this high wig install video for a very long time. So I finally decided to film it. I'm gonna show you guys the wig real quick. You know, it's giving Babiana. It's 14 inches. I have everything to install the wig, and I have the glue, I have the spray, I have the makeup, I have the band, I have my brush, I have flat irons, you know, everything to install a wig pretty much. Oh, I have the wax stick and everything. Like, I literally, when I first installed my wig, I bought everything that I know that I've seen people buy to install a wig. So I decided to install my own wig while getting high. So thank you guys for watching. Keep on supporting me. Keep on liking, commenting, just showing me so much support. Follow me on all my social media platforms down below. Just keep on supporting your girl. This is your girl's dream, and I'm doing what I love. So I do have a second channel, Taliyah Daily. I'm going to link it down below. Go subscribe to that channel too. There will be a brand new video coming out very soon. I'm literally in the process of making that video while I'm in the process of making this video. So yes, I will be posting more on this channel. So comment down below any YouTube video suggestions I should do, challenges, vlogs, anything you guys want me to see, morning routines, night routines, cooking videos. So just be on the lookout for all those kind of videos. Please suggest some videos down below. And if you guys want me to continue making these high wig installs, just keep on watching, keep on supporting, and let me know in the comments. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your post notification bells to be notified when I post a brand new video. And let's just get right onto the video.
You can either sit and be with all of these niggas be on you. Only saying like me, yeah. One if you call and you talk to, girl, I'll share my world with you. You gon' waste your time, you gon' waste your time, baby. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. You gon' give you what you need. Waste your time, baby. You can have all the space, all that you need. Ain't so pressure if you got time. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. This bitch got me paying for trips. Diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. And here I am all alone. I'm so cold, you got me out here.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. Hey, how you gonna grow it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah. How you gonna grow it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna grow it away and say my love that I was not the same? Yeah. How you gonna grow it away? Grow it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Fronting like you numb. Yeah, got me gone. Only about yourself. When I find some
We are late, but I'm checking with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like.